And we're back with TSPN. We have Eileen Hartline with us. I'd shake your hand, but you have those.
Yes, I have my gloves on.
We don't want to get. It wouldn't do much good having those.
No.
But Eileen, you manage the deli department and putting together platters like this and everything else at the Pine Grove Market.
Right. Yes, we make platters to make your holidays, birthdays, anything more convenient, less stress. All the girls know how to do it. Carrie is the manager. Been there 11 years, and you can phone. We'd like 24 hours in advance if you could, and I'm going to try to put a tray.
You can make a sandwich while we're talking here.
Yes.
Now,
this is a tray that I put together already because obviously we can't get them done real fast. They take time. You want them to look good.
A veggie tray.
This is a veggie tray.
Here, I'll hold on to that. I can do that without getting too dirty.
You guys.
Although I've been known to squirt this on people sometimes. So watch out on you.
Okay.
That might be a food fight, huh?
Yeah, I've got some things over here.
So, this veggie trays like this, this will serve how many people, that size tray?
This is like a 12 to 15, you know.
And are there bigger, smaller trays than this?
Yes, we have mini, we have small, we have medium, and we have large. And I have a brochure here for everyone. You can stop by the store. It tells you, approximately how much it will serve people, so you know what.
This has to be like what, a medium tray?
This is a small.
That's a small, really?
That's a small tray.
And so that, I would say that would be good for like up to what, 10 people?
Oh yeah,
easy,
10 to 12, yeah.
And it's got your carrots on it, your tomatoes, your celery, your zucchini,
yeah,
and your broccoli, right?
And your broccoli. And we can change that up. Like some lady called the other day, she wanted cucumbers and stuff. Easy to make a change. You can always ask. And
I'm not a big broccoli or zucchini eater when they're warm, but when they're cut like this and have a little bit of dip with them,
and ranch,
yum.
Exactly.
So it's a good way to get the kids to eat them too.
Absolutely.
So we're all going with the small size today, but the large tray, how many people for what size party?
That on the back here, it says, usually, it tells.
Okay.
And
it says mini serves 8 to 12, small 15 to 20, medium 22 to 25, and large up to 30 to 35 people. And that the price goes all the way from 35 for a mini tray to 80 for a large tray, which is, when you're talking about this much food, that's pretty reasonable.
And I've been there 11 years, and these trays have never went up once, so I think we might be probably the cheapest.
Now, wait a minute, you're slipping something by here. Show us how you make this. This is good. These things are really good.
Okay.
You take a piece of salami.
Cream cheese and a little hot pepper. Put in here, fold it, and set and start your tray that way. I won't do all of these like that because I want to put the ham.
Those things are really good.
Those things are good. A lot of times you'll find this on a relish tray, which we have those in there. We have marinated mushrooms, this kind of thing.
Now, you have some cheese here too.
Yes.
Are you talking about little mini sandwiches, or what can you do with that?
This is a meat and cheese tray, and I'm going to show you how I roll it. Take ham like this, down like this, roll it up, and then I usually cut it like that, and then you start another section.
Little pieces of ham like that.
Yeah.
And you could actually, if somebody wanted that specialized and they want something inside the ham, or
you can do that.
What can you do with
ask?
What can you do with the piece of meat and roll them up into little rolls with other things in them?
You could put olives or something in it if you wanted. Most of the time, after I do that one, most of the time people have this on the side and then the cheese, and then we suggest crackers, or we also make these petite rolls.
Okay.
And they're $2.99 for a dozen. Really good, just the right size. And Fred sent down some mustard so you guys can enjoy that on them.
Conoco's. When people come to a party, you can't just have, for a lot of parties, can't just have alcohol there. That's
Exactly.
You send
You
people away from the party.
have food.
You really want to, and people aren't going to be satisfied without a little bit of food on the side too.
Exactly. And food's just a
Yep.
nice thing, and to take away some of your stress this year,
Yeah.
every year.
I didn't have any breakfast this morning, Eileen,
So
so
you're gonna enjoy this.
I know I will have some breakfast at the break, but
Yes.
anyway, this is now when you get things like this, people can make their own sandwich too, right?
Yeah. So that's why we suggest go ahead and, buying some crackers then there you got it. All somebody has to do, if you want to, or we can do it for you, is have some mustard, mayonnaise, and make your little sandwiches. And
How long have you been the manager at the market?
well, I've been there 11 years, working for Fred and his daughters when I moved up here from Reno.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then when Sonny took over, almost all of us stayed on,
The Pine Grove Market has been a mainstay in Pine Grove for years and years,
for
correct?
years. And from what I hear, I didn't live here then, but I think Fred has been the grocery store businessman forever and ever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
What are some of the specialty items people might ask for sometimes? You said on the vegetable trays, they might want cucumbers or something else
yeah,
there.
cucumbers, radishes, green onions. There's different things that if you see it and want them for your taste buds, then go ahead and we can do it.
Do you do anything like those flour tortilla rolls with things,
Yeah, that's called high rollers.
high rollers?
And you take your tortillas and then you put cream cheese and mustard in them, and then you fill it with what you want. You have a turkey one, a ham one, a roast beef one, and we do those all the time too. And they're called the high roller tray. Very popular is our spinach dip tray. You take a big round sourdough, cut that out, fill that with spinach dip, then you take a long baguette, slice it, put it all around there. So that's a very popular one, of course, the
Have a
spinach
little
dip.
piece of sourdough that you just dip in there?
Yeah, and then you dip that sourdough in there.
And other dips and things like that?
Other dips, the spinach dip, is very popular. We do have an artichoke jalapeno dip.
That's a good one.
That is a good one. The first time I tasted that was at a Costco many years ago, and they heated it up. So you can heat that one up or cold. And that is a very, very good one. And then we make a 7-layer dip out there, which we also can make a 7-layer dip for you for a party.
That
We
like
sell
a
'em-
tortilla type dip, or?
That's a bean, salsa, sour cream, cheese, olives, green onion.
Everybody loves those.
Everybody, and then all you have to do is get a bag of chips, put
Yeah.
it in a basket, and you look like you have accomplished.
What about the little meatballs? Do you do those too?
Well, we do have meatballs, and we can put those in a barbecue sauce and meatball tray. That's, like I said, not necessarily on there, but anything that somebody wants, all they have to do is ask. And if we can do it, we will do it.
And you've been around up there for 11 years, so
11 years.
so you must do a pretty good job managing the deli there too.
The tray industry has really come back the last year or two. When the economy was bad for everyone and all over, it slowed down a little bit, but now we're getting trays. And like I said, not to raise them in 11 years is pretty amazing.
All right, Eileen, why don't you give us a phone number for Pine Grove Market?
Okay, it's 209-296-3443. Just ask for the deli, and we'll have a pen and paper ready and take your order.
Okay, as people can see, I'm getting ready to go to a break. So, with that, Pine Grove Market and
Here we
Eileen,
go.
call her for all your needs for holidays or anything else for the platters.
Exactly.
Okay, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
All right, we're going to a break. We'll be right back.
You're watching Amador County's local television network, TSPN.